Imagine a sudden jolt, a violent shake, your neck thrust back and forth in an instant. That's whiplash for you, a common consequence of car collisions. This abrupt motion can lead to soft tissue damage, causing muscle and ligament strains, tears, stiffness, and soreness. It can even induce structural issues like misaligned vertebrae, herniated discs, and nerve damage. But there's a solution. Enter chiropractic care, a beacon of relief for both soft tissue and structural injuries. Specialized chiropractors can offer targeted adjustments, realigning your spine, relieving pressure on discs and nerves, and kickstarting your body's natural healing process. Chiropractic techniques also play a part, easing the pain and discomfort from soft tissue injuries, speeding up recovery. So if you're grappling with whiplash symptoms post a car accident, don't rush towards pain medications or surgery. Instead, consider a consultation with a skilled chiropractor. Their personalized care could be the key to addressing the root cause of your pain, helping you regain mobility and improve your quality of life. Don't let whiplash steal your joy of living. Reach out, schedule a consultation, and take the first step towards recovery. It's time to reclaim control over your health and well-being. Please like, share, and subscribe.